What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's a sad day here at Project H, as I don't know, most of you follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, link in the description. But if you guys know, you know that Honda Civic Si down for who knows how long. So the backstory to this is Thursday morning at approximately 5:20 a.m. in the morning, I was heading to work on my usual route, and it was pouring pretty hard, but I've had this SI for more than 2 years and never had this problem, so I was like, it's just rain. I didn't think any much of it. So on the way there, I obviously hit a little dip. Didn't look as bad, but getting there, it was bad. Water was flooded, and obviously I couldn't reverse or go forward. Either way, it was gonna happen. But sadly, the SI got hydrolocked. Came back home, my wife and I pushed it literally 5 blocks into my driveway. And you guys see we're in the low garage area. Took out the truck, reversed it back in here, lifted it up, automatically took out the oil, and I'll probably show you guys the oil how it looked. Alright guys, so I have the oil right here in front of the car. As you can see, doesn't look right. So that's why I took out the SI. Hopefully trying to save as much as I could. But yeah, I changed the oil, put no oil in, and I did what everyone does. Took out a couple of spark plugs and just turned it on. Water did shoot up. Water just came out of everywhere. I tried to set my car, but sadly I feel like the starter's probably messed up since everything's electrical now these days. The car won't turn on. It will turn, but obviously it does a clicking noise, and also I feel like the battery went bad. It dies on me like every single time I try to work on my car. But yeah, this was happening for the last couple days. I've had my car up in jack stands, dismantled, but try to save as much as I could. But now I had to call the insurance, all that, try to see what's gonna happen. So hopefully everything turns out good. We'll see how long this is gonna be down for. Alright, so talking about the insurance, they should be here tomorrow. They're gonna come and inspect the car, pretty much check what's wrong with it, and obviously they don't, if they have to, they're gonna tow it to a Honda dealer, and right there they're gonna check the engine, they're gonna check everything and see if I do need a new engine. Obviously you can get it replaced. If I do need engine parts, they're gonna get replaced. But tomorrow's gonna be the day I find out how much it's gonna cost me, what's the whole process of it, and then I'll give you guys pretty much an update about what's gonna happen to kind of the side. Yeah, sucks. All my hard work literally went down the drain, but I'm not gonna be shaken by it because obviously I'm just glad nothing happened to my wife and I. It was literally 5 blocks away from our house, so that's a positive side note. But yeah, it just sucks that all your hard work literally goes away. But hey, obviously another build can always come if this doesn't turn out, but I'm hoping for the best. Hopefully Honda Civic Si goes back on the road in the next couple months. If not, then I'll keep you guys updated in a follow-up video. But pretty much more of the story, doing this to make water, know your limits, and obviously I'd stay safe out there, guys, because rain here in California is crazy. This weather's been crazy lately. So that's gonna do it today. This is a quick update. You guys were supposed to get another video, but I wanted to keep you guys updated on the SI. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.